Hello friends, and welcome back to a very exciting video on OGN, where we will be taking a look at some of the things that are happening right now in the 1 hour and where I see price heading to. So let's take a look here. So I said in my last video that I want to see price reject off of these levels here at about 0.57. And this level is very important because we see here a big wick here, and we see a lot of volume come in at the bullish side at these volumes here at about 0.57. So now that we have recently rejected the 50 EMA, as you can see here, we saw wicks up there, and we rejected that level at 0.62. This level was very crucial now as a level of resistance. Now we have here a big major resistance at about 0.61 at these levels here, right under the 50 EMA. And this is very crucial, guys, because if you take a look here, we can see that this is where an order block is currently at. We can see that level of 0.57 right here. So currently right now price is approaching that level, as you can see here. And now there's a lot of things that gives me the influence that I believe OGN can bounce off of these levels. If we do zoom in here, we can see that price is now wicking at these levels here at the rejections. We can see that the wick is not fully closing in the 1 hour, and we could see a potential reversal. So we could see price hopefully, since we are oversold, about to be oversold as well. I see OGN can also be here a retracement for at about 0.56. We could see price here stay for a couple hours before hopefully reaching back to the levels of 0.60. This level will be very important because we will be under the 50 MA. So hopefully if we could break this level of resistance that we have here at about 0.61, that'll be great, because if we could break it, retest back at the levels of recent resistance that we had, and create a support there right under the 50 MA, and then break that level, that would be great, guys, because now we can see that we also have big wicks here, big rejections at the 50 MA. So if we could break that level, come back and then retest at these levels, create a support there, and then hopefully go back to the 0.67, where we have a big recent resistance that we have here at 0.67, which is very important to us, because if we could create a support there, once we break this level of 0.61, uh, go back to these levels here at about 0.67, hopefully break that level to retest back our recent highs that we had at about 0.71. So now we have three zones that we want to take a look at, guys. We can see that this level here now is very crucial, like I stated, because we are oversold. But if we do zoom out as well, we can see that right under it, this level, if it does get broken, which hopefully it doesn't, but this is crypto, like I stated before. Things can happen, volume can decrease in the next coming hours, and which could lead price to maybe head back to about 0.55, right under the recent resistance that we had here. So this level here is very important to us as well, at about 0.55, right under the very crucial level of support, where we broke structures up here. You can see that this level broke this recent structure at 0.60, and also this recent structure of 0.62. So this level is very crucial to us. Depending on how we react from this level, as you can see now, we are having a bearish candle come up right now, but we still got an hour for that candle to finish. So depending on how this candle reacts off of these levels, hopefully it could turn green, since we are at a very crucial level here at a support. But we would want to see volume increase at these levels. As you can see right now for OGN, volume is decreasing a little bit, which isn't a good sign. But we maybe in the next couple of hours we could see volume increase a little bit once we see another candle or two. Maybe the bullish candles can come in, but it'll be very crucial to see how the levels here of support is being respected, and how we react from this level. So like I stated, I want to see price retrace from these levels of 0.57. We have gaps here at 0.59 and also 0.60, while having our major resistance here at about 0.62, just right under the levels of 50 MA that we have here, and where we also had a lot of rejections, as you can see here, at 0.63. So it'll be very important to see how price reacts from here. But just keep in mind, if this price does get broken at 0.56, we could see another retracement happen, where we see a price maybe do a fake out at these levels, go wick down a little bit at 0.56, not fully close down at the levels of support right under it at 0.55, and just create a fake out. That price is going to continue to the downwards, but just come back up, retest back, and then goes the way that we want it to. But if it does get broken, like I stated, retest back at these levels of 0.56, retest back, we could see a retracement back to 0.55, where I do believe price should be respecting these levels now, since we are at a crucial level of demand and premium pricing, and also right under it we were at a resistance level which we fully broke and then came back and created a support level there. So let's see how this plays out in the next day. Hopefully, everything goes as well. But just keep in mind that we were in a downtrend overall from April the 21st all the way to today on April 22nd. So we are at a downtrend, and also which is a great indicator. If you take a look here at these levels of downtrends that we have, also at a level of support. Take a look at this, guys. At a level of support, downtrend as well. So if we do, trade here for a little bit, if volume, let's say, decreases a little bit, and once the RSI goes up a little bit to like 34, if we could break this level here of the downtrend that we have, it'll even give us a better influence that price will continue to the upwards. So here's more influence to us, guys. If you take a look here, if price for the next coming hours stays here for a little bit, once it breaks out of these zones here at about 0.57, retraces back at these levels, then we could be heading back to these levels here first of our first target at 0.59, which will be our first take profit here at these levels. And also then another area where we will want to fill in is about 0.60, while having our last areas of the 50 MA being 0.62. So let's see how price will react from these levels in the next coming hours. Hopefully, since we are oversold, we could see a little bit of retracements happen. So just a quick update on OGN, guys. I hope you liked the video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Take care and stay blessed.